welcome to another video. In this video, we will be making this very...
It's mint chocolate chip slime, and guys, it's super fluffy and it's just so magically beautiful.
So awesome. I'm so excited to do this, and it comes with these little chocolate chips. And this video was inspired by Jillian
Bauer. So you guys totally should go watch her video. Her video is so awesome. And yeah, let's just get on to the video. Let's go.
So, supplies you're going to need is some oven baked clay. So we just chopped it up and then we followed the instructions on our packet. So we just got some brown ones. I cannot speak today. And we just pop them in the oven. And then you're going to need some cornstarch. We're using Argo cornstarch. And then you're going to need a bowl, a mixing tool, some food coloring, some lotion, some shaving foam, and your borax activator, which is a cup of hot water to a teaspoon of borax. And then you're going to need your glue. So we're just pouring in our glue, however much you want. And then we're putting in some of our shaving cream, however much we want. And then our cornstarch, because this is what's going to make it thick and creamy. And then, yeah, we're just adding in the cornstarch. Okay, and then we're going to add some lotion now. And then our food coloring, we're adding some blue, like teal food coloring. And then we're just going to mix it all up. And mix. And do some more mixing. This took forever because of all the cornstarch. And some more mixing. And some more mixing. And then we're just going to add some green food coloring because we wanted this to be like a minty color, you know. So we just kept adding it until it was our color. And then now we're just going to add some activator until it comes together as your slime. So once it starts coming off the bowl, you know it's ready to touch. So then you're just going to start kneading it with your hands. And then once it's ready, as you can see now, it's super nice and glossy and everything. So now we're just going to add like our little chocolate chips. And these were such good lighting on camera. Like I was so proud. Like we were so proud of this. And so we're just mixing these in now. And this is so beautiful. We were so happy about this. Okay, so we're just mixing these in. And yeah. So this is the finished slime. It was really amazing and we were really happy about this. So I hope you guys enjoy this if you buy it. So yeah.